Hi. There, there is one common process which all of us need to follow, which is change of mindsets. And we have to keep changing our mindsets all the time. I remember in late 80s when I had started my job, and we had computers just coming into this country that time. The computer was only used for a Word document to type, so it was a replacement from a typewriter to this computer used for only that, letter writing. Then came the email, then came features which one had to learn, and the computer got upgraded. Now, during that journey, there are many of us from that era who did not upgrade their skills, but there are many who upgraded their skills. And why did they upgrade their skills? Because they decided their mindset to change. So what am I saying? That in today's time, if we don't change our mindset, we will lose out like people who did not acquire knowledge and change with time, right? So here today is time of digital marketing, right? Digital marketing, when we hear that word, we get scared. Oh God, I don't understand. It is very, very simple. The point is, how much are we attempting to change our mind to learn? That's the first step if we want to get into digital marketing, because that is the future. That is where people are going to get into digital space. It is going to become more and more easy because you'll be able to reach millions of people through the digital media. With internet becoming so powerful, today we can reach out to anywhere, any part of this world, to anyone across through a camera, right? So the first thing, if we have to learn to get into digital marketing, is change your mindsets. Now, once you've changed your mindset, what is the next thing that you need to do? In digital marketing, either you have two categories of methods. Either you do through free method or you do through paid method. Now, free method is either blogs or YouTube, like the one I'm making right now, because this YouTube could be seen by millions across the world. At least that is my attempt. Or you could create a website of your own, and you could also look at paid marketing. In paid marketing, you will have Facebook marketing, you will have Google advertisement, or you will have YouTube advertisement. This is the category that you will get into, right? And then you can also look at targeting your customers depending on the media that you have chosen. And the beauty in this is that suppose some individual decides to reach out to come and connect with you, and he does not respond to you on Facebook. That individual is chased automatically by Google on his other medias when he opens it up, right? You could also look at blogs. You could look at reading others' blogs, and you can write your own blogs. So there's so much in digital marketing that we can do it. Yeah. Let's learn in the next class how should you go about it. Yeah. Thank you so much till now.